Had we lost that first set, I still think we would have won the match. Kasi sabi ko naman, sige, kung magkamali tayo ng ganyan, we masilat ni NU yung set 1. Sabi ko, wala tested na tong team na to all throughout the season eh. I mean, um, we had matches na kumbaga all sorts of paraan paano manalo. I think we had them throughout the season. Kahit nag 14-0 tayo, we won 5 sets, we won 4 sets, we won trailing. Lahat ng klaseng experience na pwedeng pagdaanan, I really do think pinagdaanan ng team. So sa akin, parang sige, we lose set 1, okay lang. And I'm pretty much confident that we are able to recover. Parang hindi sa pagyayabang, ang mindset ko is, sige, di okay lang, tatagal lang tayo manood. But at the end of the day, I really didn't see us losing